Hello, my name is Aditya and I'm from 8th Standard in Campion School, and this is my certification course for Google Drive for Whiz Juniors. So the first step is to sign into your Gmail account and open Google Drive. So I have already signed in, as you can see, and this is the link to Google Drive. It is drive.google.com. So once you hit enter, you'll see this screen right here, which is the Google Drive screen. So the next step is to create a new folder name project. So as you can see at the top left, there's an option called new. So once I click it and then I click folder, I can title it as project. Then once I click create, it is created, and as you can see, it is over here, and it appears under the folder section. So the next step is to color code the project folder. The way to do that is to right click the folder which you want to recolor and then choose a color. So in this case I'm going to choose red, and this shade of red is called cardinal. So as you can see now, the folder's icon is red. So the next step is to upload a file from your computer onto your drive. So I have a file which I want to upload. So as you can see, you can either drag and drop the files, or you can click this new button right here and click file upload. And I want to upload the Whiz Juniors logo. So as you can see, this shows the progress, and now that it's complete, it shows a tick mark. So the next step is to create a new Google Doc file and save it in the project folder. So you can click new and then click Google Docs and then choose whether you want it from a template or a blank document. So as I want it from a blank document, I'll just create this and I'll rename it to Whiz Practical, and as it is on Google Docs, it auto saves. So I will type a sentence. I will quickly just type a sentence and show you all that it gets saved automatically into Google Drive. So as you can see, it's all been saved, and now it is inside this folder of Google Drive. So the next step is to rename the file. So the way I can do that is by clicking rename over here, and now I'm gonna rename it as Google Docs. So I'll click OK, and then the next step is to change the view to grid view. So as you can see, I already have it in the grid view, but the way you can change between list view and grid view is by clicking this button right over here. So once I click list view, I can see that over here it shows it in a list, and once you click this button changes to like a grid icon. So once you click it, it changes to grid view. So the next part is to display the activity window. So the way to do that is to hover over the file and then press D for dad, and then as you can see, it shows the details view, and then all you have to do is click the activity window, and as you can see, like over here it shows me that I have created an item in Google Docs, and right below that it shows me that I have uploaded an item into this folder. So the next step is to upload a folder from your computer and then start a file and check that file in the start folder. So the way you can do that is to first upload a file. In this case I will take this strip which has my school's I will take this picture of some computer teaching, which is what Whiz Junior stands for. Then I will right click it, then I will click add star. Now when I go back to my drive, you can click this start folder, and as you can see, Whiz Junior's friend which I had created for the practicals for this course is a start folder, and the file which I have started is right over here. It's the computer teaching, and the next step is to download a file from your drive to your computer. So as you can see inside this project folder, I've added a picture which I want to download, which one of my friends has shared with me. So if I come over into this screen and click this button right over here which says download, it'll first scan it for viruses, then download. And as you can see, when I open it, it'll show me the old man's picture. So the next step is to share that file with one of your friends and give them only comment permission. So when I right click this, I can click share, and then I'll give it and I'll add the permission to one of my friends called Paramjot Singh Nanda, and then can comment, and I'll click send. And the next step is to share another file with one of your friends and give them only view permission. So the way to do that is to, I'm just gonna go to a random thing in my drive. So this is a song. So I'll right click. I'll share this with one of my friends called Gautam Pillai. So the way to do it so that he can only view it, I'll click can view and then I'll click send. So the next step is to sort the files in the shared folder by shared date. So the way I can do that is by clicking the folder shared with me, and then over here you can set it in many ways, such as name, or the way I need to do right now is share date. So the next part is to see version history of a file. So the way you can do that is the way to do that is basically to just like select a file such as this one, press D, first select the file, press D, then as you can see it shows me. So the simple way is to click activity, and then it shows you all the history. This one only has been modified once, so that's the only history it gets. So anyways, the next part of it is to add Hindi language from settings. So you can do that by clicking this button right here, settings, and clicking the settings option, and then change language settings, and it'll take you to this page. Then you can change it to Hindi and click select, and that is how you change it to Hindi. And now change the setting to convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Okay, so then you can just click this option and done. So if I get uploaded any Microsoft Word document, for example, it will be converted directly into Google Docs. So thank you for watching my certification course, and I hope you enjoy my next one and this one also.